Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making crispy mozzarella sticks. The ingredients are very basic and few, so let's note the ingredients. For this you'll need around 400 grams of mozzarella cheese. I've cut this into thin strips as shown in the video. For the coating you will need around 1 cup of plain flour, 4 eggs and 4 cups of Panko breadcrumbs. I have seasoned it with salt and pepper. You can do this according to your taste. I've mixed it up. Now coat the cheese in plain flour, then eggs, and then breadcrumbs. Now coat this again in egg and then breadcrumbs again. This will give the cheese a good thick coating. Once they're all done, freeze them for at least an hour or overnight. Once they're frozen, you can deep fry them on high flame and they'll take less than a minute. They taste best when they're served hot. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always, thanks for watching.